members, we are proceeding. Yes, Honorable Tanaguzi. Thank you, Madam Speaker. My name is Honorable Tanaguzi, Member of Parliament, Nakaseke. Madam Speaker, some students are poor because of genetic inheritance. If a parent was dead, there is a possibility that the child will also be the same, leading to poor performance. Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Omwana agenda n'agamba genetic n'entunuuliranga ddala kituufu.
Thank you, Honorable Tanaguzi. Thank you, Honorable Members, we are proceeding. Yes, Honorable Zaki.
Kaweddemu. Thank
you, Madam Speaker. My name is Honorable Zaki, MP Mitiana. Madam Speaker, according to the motion, I feel that children's poor performance at school is due to poor learning facilities. Some schools lack facilities like chalk, furniture, poor classrooms, poor toilets, or latrines. This leads to poor learning environment, contributing to poor performance. But Madam Speaker, why don't we talk about our new supporters who have gone missing? We want them.
We want them. We want them. We want them. We want them.
Order in the house. Honorable Zaki, that issue is not on the order paper. Please sit down. Honorable members, I'm in charge of this house. I therefore adjourn till next week. Thank you.